Giant trucks are not only powerful but also contain hidden dangers on the road. You will experience a journey full of tension and drama, where every moment can become a life or death moment. We will take you through spectacular escapes, where just a split second can change the whole situation. At the same time, you will also witness situations where subjectivity or carelessness has led to unpredictable consequences. These are not only stories about speed, but also valuable lessons about the caution of decisions on the road. Aaron was driving when a gray car in front of him suddenly stopped. Aaron couldn't brake in time and crashed into the back of the car. This situation shows the importance of maintaining a safe distance when driving. This gives you enough time to react in unexpected situations. Tyler was driving towards an intersection when a car ran a red light and crossed the road. The two cars collided. Fortunately, no one was injured. This situation shows the importance of obeying traffic signals and looking carefully when driving. When driving on a two-way street, always look carefully before changing lanes or turning. Make sure you check your mirrors and blind spots to avoid collisions with other vehicles. Dennis was driving when he felt sleepy, which caused him to lose control and drive off the road. If you feel tired or sleepy while driving, stop immediately to rest or ask someone else to drive to ensure safety. Jack was driving on the road when he saw another car suddenly stop. This action caused a collision between two other cars. Fortunately, no one was injured. To reduce the risk of an accident, always keep a safe distance from the car in front and pay attention to the actions of other vehicles on the road. Patrick was driving on the road and was about to enter a two-way street. A truck signaled to change lanes, but because the driver changed lanes suddenly, the front of Patrick's car slightly collided with the truck. This situation emphasizes the importance of changing lanes slowly and checking your rearview mirrors carefully. To avoid collisions at intersections, always look carefully and yield to other vehicles when necessary. Slow down and make sure there are no obstacles before making any maneuvers, such as turning or crossing the road, to ensure the safety of all parties. To avoid losing control while driving, always keep a clear vision and adjust your speed to the road conditions. If you feel distracted or have difficulty controlling the vehicle, stop the vehicle in a safe place and rest to ensure the safety of yourself and others. Samuel was driving when he suddenly witnessed a container truck lose control and crash onto the road, causing the vehicle to overturn. Fortunately, the driver only suffered minor injuries. To ensure safety when driving, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and always be alert to unexpected situations. Adam was driving when he saw a black car lose control and crash into the concrete curb. Fortunately, the driver's car was only slightly damaged. This incident highlights the importance of staying focused and controlling your speed while driving. This situation highlights the importance of observing and reacting quickly when driving. When driving, always keep a safe distance from the car in front and pay attention to traffic signals. This gives you enough time to react to sudden changes and avoid accidents. Brandon was driving when he lost control of his car while talking on the phone, causing the car to crash into a pole on the side of the road. Fortunately, Brandon was not injured. This situation shows the dangers of using a phone while driving. If you need to answer the phone, pull over to a safe place before answering to avoid an unfortunate accident. When driving, always keep a safe distance from other vehicles, especially when meeting oncoming vehicles. This helps reduce the risk of collision and protects the safety of you and those around you. Justin was driving on a rainy day. A tractor trailer turned on its turn signal to cross the road. Because the rain blurred the windshield, Justin could not see clearly and the two vehicles collided. Fortunately, no one was injured. To ensure safety when driving, always focus completely on driving. Avoid using the phone or doing anything that could distract you. If you need to make a call, stop the car in a safe place before using the phone. Stephen was driving when he witnessed a black car lose control, swerve on the road and go off the side of the road. Fortunately, there were no cars nearby, avoiding a serious accident. This situation highlights the importance of keeping a steady hand on the wheel and controlling the speed when participating in traffic. Eric was driving to an intersection. When the traffic light turned green, he continued to move. However, a car from the right side ran the red light and collided with Eric's car. Fortunately, no one was injured. This situation highlights the need to be careful even when you have the right of way. Nicholas was driving at night when a car stopped on the side of the road with its signal lights on. Due to limited visibility and not looking carefully, he tried to avoid the car but crashed into the grassy roadside. Fortunately, Nicholas was not injured. This situation highlights the importance of driving carefully at night. This situation highlights the necessary caution when driving near an accident or parked car. When driving near an accident or parked car, reduce your speed and keep a safe distance. Always be alert for unexpected traffic to avoid accidents and protect the safety of yourself and others. This situation highlights the importance of driving carefully in bad weather conditions. When driving in bad weather conditions such as rain, reduce speed and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Make sure your windshield is always clean and has a clear view to detect obstacles in time and avoid accidents. Ryan was driving when he suddenly witnessed two cars collide in front of him. Both drivers did not observe carefully, leading to the accident. Fortunately, no one was injured. This situation highlights the importance of observing and paying attention when driving.
Crunch.
Фонарь, тормози, у тебя барабан разлетелся.
This situation shows the importance of signaling slowly and looking carefully before changing lanes. To avoid accidents, always use signaling slowly and make sure to check your mirrors and blind spots carefully before changing lanes or changing direction. This helps ensure the safety of yourself and other vehicles on the road. As Jason was driving and preparing to turn right onto a smaller road, a car came from behind at high speed and slightly collided with his car. Fortunately, the collision did not cause serious damage. This situation emphasizes the importance of looking and slowing down when making turns or changing lanes. James was driving on a one-way street when another car tried to overtake him. Because of the oncoming traffic, James almost collided with another car and had to swerve, causing him to fall off the road. Fortunately, James was safe and uninjured. Do not rush into dangerous situations. Always put safety first and avoid making rash decisions. John was going straight through the intersection on a green light when suddenly a car coming from the left ran a red light. John collided with the car, but fortunately no one was injured. This situation highlights the importance of staying alert, even when you have the right of way on the road. When driving, always stay focused and make sure to control your speed. If you feel you are losing control, slow down immediately and try to move your vehicle to a safe position to avoid endangering other vehicles. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your feelings. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing attractive content. See you in the next videos.